Welcome to anyone's kitchen. Let's make a perfect treat with some simple ingredients and a few good shakes. A big jar of iced coffee mocha will take you to a fun ride through your taste buds. Let's start by gathering the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules. I'm using Intense Espresso. 300 milliliters of fresh milk. 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and water. First you need to make coffee ice cubes. Dissolve the coffee granules in a little bit of warm water and then pour some cold water so it will freeze quickly. Now fill the ice cube tray with coffee and freeze until solid. Once the coffee ice cubes are ready, we can move to the next step. Use a blender or a mixer to dissolve cocoa powder in fresh milk. I have taken a glass jar decorated with chocolate syrup. Now transfer the coffee ice cubes into the jar and add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Pour the chocolate milk, seal the lid and give it a few good shakes until well combined. You can simply sprinkle with cocoa powder over the top and have yourself a delicious iced coffee mocha. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.